and we're back for the last set of developments. Marciano del Rosario Memorial National High School teachers have undergone online validation sessions of their learning delivery modalities practicum portfolio on June 15 to 18, showcasing the evidence of their learning implementation from the LDM course for teachers. LDM2 course is the DepEd's capacity building is a response to the critical component of DepEd's learning continuity plan, which enables teachers and school leaders to use different learning delivery modalities effectively. Throughout the school year 2020-2021, MRMNHS teachers implemented the learnings they got from the said course, which helped them build their practicum portfolio and meet the different strands in the Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers or PPST. Teachers used the District 7's unified PowerPoint template in layouting the required artifacts such as lesson plans, individual monitoring plans, teacher-made modified learning resources, certificates of participation in any professional development activities, and other self-selected artifacts like chat or text conversations with parent or learners, feedback, documentations of Online Kumustahan, LAC sessions, faculty meetings, in-service trainings, and many more. Annotations per set of artifacts were given to explain and justify the given artifacts and were validated by the master teachers, head teachers, and school head who served as LDM LAC leaders. In the school's faculty and staff FB group, School Principal 3 Alberto Santos posted and shared his gratitude to all for the success of their online validation of LDM2 Practicum Portfolio. Meanwhile, District 7 Supervisor Jessica Saison, as instructional coach, sent to Santos and to all the teachers her congratulatory message for the successful implementation of the LDM. She also hopes that teachers have realized the value of the said practicum portfolio as not just a requirement, but as an enabling tool to make connections between the module-based learning experiences and how this helped them in doing their tasks. This report was posted by DepEd Media Bureau member Eloisa Joy Domingo-Cruz. On video logging, to sustain the implementation of vegetable production and raise awareness among students to put up their own home gardens, Macatbong Integrated School launches its YouTube channel featuring Tumana sa Paaralan vlogs. The school created the said channel as an innovative project featuring different vegetable gardening episodes, which features gardening skills to help students learn the correct gardening procedures. Some of the featured episodes are how to make carbonized rice hull, making of fermented fruit as foliar spray for plants and soil preparation, planting and growing of lettuce, and pakwan harvesting, which students and parents can replicate and apply in their homes. Gulayan sa Paaralan Coordinator Wilbert Balangat pointed out the importance of disseminating this kind of information, especially in the time of pandemic, where food resources are limited. He also stressed that through watching the uploaded videos, learners will develop values and appreciation of agriculture at young age. Aside from the continuous implementation of Gulayan sa Paaralan, the school also established chicken cage or manukan sa paaralan that will benefit the gardening plot using the chicken manure as natural fertilizer. Macatbong Integrated School won first runner-up during the 2018 division search for the School Best Implementer of Gulayan sa Paaralan program and continued to innovate programs that will supplement its implementation. Tumana sa Paaralan vlogs can be watched in official Facebook page of Macatbong Integrated School and YouTube channel account. This report came from Regine Grace Oligario. In other news, Education Program Supervisor Sunny De Leon presented the accomplishment report in mathematics through an online Kumustahan on Friday, June 18. The report includes notable accomplishments of DepEd Cabanatuan CP on matters about curriculum development, enrichment and localization, learning delivery, learning resource, technical assistance, and achievements. Aside from De Leon, each principal math coordinator, including junior high school coordinators of integrated schools and national high schools, also presented the pre- and post-test results of Project All Numerates, capturing the numeracy level of learners, gaps, challenges, issues, interventions, recommendations, and best practices. The activity aimed to guide and support mathematics teachers in the delivery of curriculum through distance learning in this new normal and gather relevant data to improve mathematics curriculum implementation. More than 500 mathematics teachers, school heads, and supervisors attended the said Kumustahan on Microsoft Teams and on Facebook. This report was posted by Kevin Lau of Diaz Garcia Elementary School. On matters related to online activities, Valdefuente Elementary School conducted its first virtual PTA General Assembly on June 11 to update the parents on the school programs and activities. There were more or less 100 attendees who participated in the meeting through the Google Meet platform, showing parents' eagerness and excitement to see each other even virtually. School Principal Maria Cecilia Santarina thanked the parents for the continued support despite the ongoing pandemic. The meeting highlighted District 4 PSTS Gemma Tan's inspirational message, which enlightened the parents and teachers in the situation. Tan also gave the parents a fine salute for their untiring support to educate their children and to all the teachers who always performed their responsibilities. In addition, area coordinators gave updates on the programs and activities in their respective portfolios. They are Crisandra Bibal for kindergarten, enrollment cutoff, and school calendar of activities, Ronald Daniel for SBM and school reading-related activities, Mercy Balagtas for school health protocols, Rest Bakuna and Twins, and Maria Angela Messina for school-based feeding program and milk feeding distribution. Also included in the coordinators who give updates are Marieta Ingusan for DRRM and Brigada Escuela, Joanna Marie Domingo for LRMDS, Aldrin Daniel for school numeracy and math-related activities, Christina Ponce for record forms, and Edna Pangilinan and Andrea Ordonez for recognition and graduation. Janela Pagio acted as facilitator in the open forum for issues and concerns. This report was posted by Paula Padilla of Valdefuente Elementary School. On international competitions, Cabanatuan East Central School Kindergarten Ivan Ray Landicho was awarded as gold medalist on the recent awarding ceremony of Philippine International Math and Science Olympics, June 12. Landicho was trained by his teacher coach, Carmel Ariola, who conducted regular virtual review in preparation for the contest. Prior to the contest, last May 9, a mock test was done. Ivan was trained to be familiar with the computer commands and keys used in online competition. The team solvers were given 1 hour to answer the test. They were required to use two gadgets, one for Zoom and one for the test proper. They were instructed to answer the test alone. Switching tab or window was prohibited. Among the skills that made Ivan get the gold medal are adding and subtracting numbers, reading, writing, spelling numbers up to 6 digits, and solving simple problems. This report was posted by Ivy Amor Landicho of Cabanatuan East Central School. On District 5 News, in support to the implementation of Basic Education Learning Continuity Plan of the School's Division Office, District 5 conducts Online Kumustahan. The said activity was spearheaded by District 5 PSDS Mercy Cariaga, who champions the programs and activities of each school in District 5, especially in improving the implementation of the curriculum. In line with this, part of the Online Kumustahan was the sharing of remarkable experiences of selected teachers in the district who reflected their capability to adapt in the new normal of education. Adding color to the activity is the feedbacking and monitoring of assessment of learning delivery modalities, which were based on the video presentation featuring best practices of different schools in the district. The said Online Kumustahan was also attended by CID Chief Priscilla Sanchez and ASDS Enrique Angeles, who inspired the teachers. School heads led the open forum where the teachers were given opportunity to ask questions to the education program supervisors. Online Kumustahan is one of the programs of the school's division office to regularly monitor and evaluate the curriculum implementation and support teachers in the delivery of curriculum through distance learning. This report was posted by DepEd Media Bureau member Zoila Cruz of Mayapyap Elementary School. As tribute for daddies, tatang, tatay, ama, and those who have been acting as fathers, Mayapyap Elementary School conducted the virtual celebration of Father's Day on June 20. The school prepared a simple 4-minute video tribute which was uploaded for the schools to the school's official Facebook page. District Supervisor Mercy Cariaga gave her message as a way of acknowledging the effort and sacrifices of the fathers, most especially in this time of pandemic. She also acknowledged the role of the fathers in their children's education in this new normal setup. On the other hand, Principal Alvaran said that the school values the high involvement of the fathers that can make a positive difference for children's learning. The school recognizes the contribution that fathers and father figures make to the lives of MES. The video continues to receive likes and comments from MES community. This report was posted by Mae Belle Ebuen, DepEd Media Bureau member from Mayapyap Elementary School. In other news, as part of the culminating activities of Mabini Homesite Integrated School primary level, the MHIS Kinder to Grade 3 teachers launched the Bulilit 3B's Galing Challenge last June 7 to 11 via online platform. The activity was overseen by MHIS School Principal 1, Marivic Barga. The activities involved were contests in reading, math quiz B, and poem recitation. The Bulilit 3B's Galing Challenge online contest was witnessed virtually by the Public Schools District Supervisor of District 2, Mrs. Maria Teresa Padua. The presentations on the contest were in kind on the Project 4Bs of the school, or Basa, Bigas, Baybay, at Bilang, which was proposed by Primary Level Master Teacher 1, Mary Jane Salvador. The primary objective of these online activities is to strengthen and support the basic skills of the K-3 learners of Mabini Homesite Integrated School in literacy and numeracy. This report was posted by Mario Ronquillo Jr. And those were the news for this week, and we will be back for Teletruan after a few reminders.